Using custom fields in Platformax can be really important for your work, as by using them, you're able to capture more information about your contacts. In this video, I'll show you how to create and work with custom fields. Please note that you need to have the permissions to access the custom field settings. To access the custom field settings, please go to Settings and there choose Account Settings, Custom Fields. You can create custom fields for both types of the contacts in Platformax, for company or for person. As you can see, Platformax offers you a variety of custom fields for storing your data. You can choose a simple text field, a number field, a drop-down for information like industry or similar, a multiple select drop-down, just a checkbox, a currency for currency value, a radio button, several checkboxes, date and time, a date, for example like for birthday or similar, and two special types that relate with your contacts. First one is person, where you can select between all the persons in your database. This can be used, for example, for secretary or assistant, or a company custom field that can be used, for example, for an accounting service or a lawyer firm. Let's first try and add a custom field for a company contact. In this case, let's say we're gonna use a drop-down. First, we put in a name. Secondly, we need to add the field options. As in our case, we're doing the drop-down menu, so we're gonna put a couple of those. Before finishing, you can also choose whether you want this custom field to be available in the sidebar or not. Let's say that we do. And at the end, click Create Custom Field. So let's see how the new field looks on the contact card. It's right here. And to select a value, click on it and choose the value. There you go. For the second example, let's try and add a custom field on person contact. This time, we're going to use a special type of custom field. Let's say that we want to add a custom field naming the secretary or an assistant of our person contact. Name it secretary. And again, we're going to use show in sidebar. So let's check one of the contacts. So let's imagine that Adeline is a secretary of Justa. So we're going to edit this data now. There you go. So now we have this relation between Adeline and Justa. Once you set up your custom fields, you can choose whether you want to see them in the sidebar or not. If your custom field is set to be visible in the sidebar, this means that your custom field will be available in this sidebar where all the other details from your contact is. This also means that you are able to change the value of your custom field straight away from the sidebar. On the other way, if you decide that you do not want your custom field to be available in the sidebar, then your contact card is going to look like this, without your custom field. And when you want to edit the value, or you want to see the value, you will have to choose Edit All to see all the details of your contact, and your custom field is available here. And the last thing that you can set for your custom field is the position of your custom field in the sidebar. By default, your last added custom field is going to be available in the sidebar as in the last position. In settings, you can choose and just move your custom field, and this way you're going to change the position of your custom field, like this. Custom fields are also available in the opportunity detail view with working with the opportunities. This is the secretary or assistant field we just added for person, and the industry field we added for company. You can also access the custom field values in the list. When listing your contacts with custom values, you can also export those values if you have the permissions to do that. Custom fields are also available and can be edited when working with prospecting lists in Platformax. Of course, custom fields can also be used for import and export. And that's how you use custom fields in Platformax. Enjoy your work.